Now let us look at the power rule. So as much as derivatives, either finding a derivative from first principles or finding a derivative using power rules or rules of differentiation, kulula, but many practice. The clear algebra now just need to solve for x. But many practices because more I practice is on some flavors. Alright, so we power rule. Let us say we've got f of x equals to ax to the power of b. So now in the power rule we use exponent. Exponent is also called the power, isn't it?
Yes.
X to the power of 4. Right? X to the power of 5. So that's why I see this again a power rule. So now if you want to find derivative f prime of x again, what do? We take the power, right? The exponent. See multiply the coefficient. Is it clear?
Yes.
So must multiply a not b so a b then x. Then from the exponent or from the power, after multiplying the coefficient, we'll just subtract to 1. This is the rule as so looks square as if follow. Is it clear?
Yes.
But here now there are rules here now. There are differentiation using the power rule. There are rules. I think my rules we also derive with respect to x. Is it clear?
Yes.
So firstly, x wako must not be on the denominator. Right? As far as apply a layer rule there, if we've got something like 1 over x, is it clear?
Yes.
We know by the laws of exponent or by the laws of powers. You see, this is the same as x to the power of negative 1. So let's just say we are still revising with algebra and laws of exponents. So again, as far as apply a layer rule there, if we x swap a will be a under any radical sign. Is it clear?
Yes.
So x swap again, x must not be under any radical sign. What is the radical sign? A radical sign layer and layer, right?
Yes.
This is the square root, this is the cube root, this is the fourth root, fifth root. So I cannot say this is just square roots, right? These are just radical signs. So as far as the total derivative by x or derivative with respect to x of any function is right?
Yes.
We know how to change the parameter.
Yes.
This is x to the power of 1 over 2, right?
Yes.
This is x to the power of 1 over 3. This is x to the power of 1 over 4. This is x to the power of 1 over 5. If you have something like we change everything there, this is x to the power of 3 over 5. So the exponent, let's swing apart, becomes the numerator, and then loss by denominator and exponent here. Is it clear?
Yes.
So x must still be under any radical sign. Is it clear?
Yes.
Again, we also apply layer or layer rule. There must be no brackets. Is it clear? So, x must be in a fully simplified expression. As far as the total derivative with respect to x, if we've got something like f of x is equal to x minus 2 all squared, right? We must first remove our brackets, get the product of layer and layer, and then this is a product derive. Is it clear? We derive with respect to x. So x must be on the denominator and must be under any radical sign, and lastly, or in a fully simplified expression. As far as the derivative using power rule. But let's simplify. That's all right. This is a derive. Alright, I'll take examples and I'll so let's do never go from there are also notations. If you are given a function as f of x, its derivative should be f prime of x. Is it clear?
Yes.
If you are given a function as y, its derivative should be y prime. Is it clear?
Yes.
If you are given a function as y of x, its derivative should be in the form dy dx. Look how we should see. This is the derivative of the function of y with respect to x. Look how we should see. Also dy dx. Y should be the subject of the formula, right? Yes. Then let's say the function is no x. And then lastly, there's some naming notations so you go as we do okay, so ukushintsha zonke lezazinto leziya ikona okwenza ukuthi accumulate ini ama-marks. Ne? So now let us say we are given ukuthi f of x ulingana nobani? F of x ulingana nobani? No 1 over 2 x squared minus 5x. Right? Get the derivative lapayana. Now, if state from first principles, you can use power. If stated from first principles, you can use power. But if the stated from first principles, just use first principles. So here, we cannot find the derivative layer function, right? Because layer term layer I guess means also the derivative using the power or using the rules of differentiation. That's all right. Yes. So now we must first change layer term layer. This is f of x. This is still f of x equals to 1 over 2x squared minus 5x to the power of negative 1. Right? Yes. Now, the function here is right and it's reduces negative derivative. Now we can say f prime, because that's what we derive f prime of x is equal to, now we say, we take the exponent and multiply it by the coefficient. Is it clear? Yes. What is 1 over 2 times 2? That's 1. Right? Choose last one value, no x. Then from the exponent here, we will just subtract to 1. So what is 2 minus 1? It's just 1. So the mass is 1 here. Right? Yes. Then let us derive the second term. We say an exponent times the coefficient. The coefficient so it's a young and a sign component. Okay? Yes. So negative 5 times negative 1 would be positive 5. X to the power. So if we say la negative 1 or minus 1 again, so solabani x to the power of negative 2. Right? Yes. So now let's take note here la always leave your answer with a positive exponent. Because you'll never know what your answer is on Mawa, right? This answer is still correct, but for the sake of accumulating the maximum mark, make sure what the answer in the exponent a positive. That's all right? Yeah. So now, let's say positive. This is going to be x plus 5 over x squared. Right? Low nalo side A1, isn't it? Nalo side A1. So this is still f prime of x. That's how we find any derivative. So first mark is for changing lower x, lower in this notation, and then you mark that the derivative term. But for this two, you may never know what's based on the memorandum. Is it clear? That is why it was a single risk. Just give your answer with the positive exponent. Is it clear?
Yes.
Alright, let me take the second one up here. Let's take the second one, it's in the second one. Our second one, this was one. Our second one, what's in here now? Uti. F of x is equals to 2x minus 1 over x all squared. That is 5 marks. Now say start. It's 5 marks. Now say get the derivative of this function of f with respect to x. So obviously, from the first principles, you must use any power. Power right? X must not be on the denominator. So x on the denominator will be a mark. Okay? Yeah. X must not be under any radical sign. Now x is under the square root. The square root is a radical sign. Is another mark. Right? And then x must be in a fully simplified expression. This is not a fully simplified expression, right? Because sun allow was squared. Right? Yes. That will be another mark. Then let's move to master derivative. Right? Yes. So as this is still f of x. We are still evaluating their function yet. That's alright? Yes. So this is going to be 2x to the power of 1 over 2. Right? Yes. Minus x to the power of negative 1 all squared. Right? This is all squared. Again, as case we derive because sun and our brackets now, we are still evaluating the function of f. Is it clear? Yes. And after that, we derive that. So this is still f of x equals to. Now let's find the product here. I said left brackets out 2. Now you right, but it's a longer route. Right? So the best one is to square the first term, get the product, and then square the last term. Is it clear? Yes. So if we square the first term, so what about there? Right? Yes. So say the final it was 2x to the power of 1 over 2 times 2x to the power of 1 over 2. So that's just today. 2 times 2 by 4. X to the power of 1 over 2 times x to the power of 1 over 2. So we take 1 base and we add exponents. 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 will give us 1. Right? So it's only 4, 4x. And then the second one, we do what? We find the product. So it's about 2x to the power of 1 over 2 times negative 2, negative x to the power of negative 1 times 2. So negative 4x to the power of negative 3 over 2. Now let's check. So say 2x to the power of 1 over 2 times negative x to the power of negative 1 times 2. So starting with the constant 2 and 2 versus 4. Right? Then okay, 9 negative lapana, so this is negative 4. Then starting in lapana, e base a order because no x is no x. Starting base a order, we say 1 over 2 plus negative 1. So if we say 1 over 2 minus 1, is it not 3 over 2? Negative 3 over 2. Please verify. Go on.
1 over 2 minus 1.
Yes. Negative 3 over 2. Oba. 1 over 2 minus 1. also negative 1 over 2. Okay, and then lastly, we square the last term. So set the square of now negative x to the power of negative 1 times negative x to the power of negative 1. So now when I just multiply negative and negative, those things are positive. Then minus 1 plus another minus 1, so minus 2. So last one plus x to the power of negative 2. Now if I change here, you see what passes along the rules, right? Now we can derive. Must derive the moment this is all derived, we start writing f prime of x. Right? It derivative positive. We'll say x to the exponent of 1 so we'll say 1 times 4 so 4. Then when we subtract 1, no 0. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. Should the pass no 4 times 1, which is 4. Since at this side, we'll say negative 1 over 2 times negative 4. What is that? 2. Right? And then when we say negative 1 over 2 minus 1, then so you're going to get negative 3 over 2. Right? Yes. Alright, lastly, when you say negative 2 times no 1 on the power coefficient, what do you get is minus 2. Then when you subtract 1 the power against no x to the power of negative 3. And then I say, it is a must to share the answer with a positive exponent because you never know, right? So now the last convert the exponent and negative, so I share a positive. So this is our f prime of x. So no 4 plus 2 over x to the power of 3 over 2 minus 2 over x. This is our derivative. Columns in. Just go consult the algebra. Right? So Lawayana or 2, you are given f of x, then the notation should be f prime of x of what? Of our derivative. That's all right? Yes. Alright, so I'll give you an answer, right? Just call it. Okay, that was sooner. Okay, but now at least you know you must give your answer with a positive exponent. Now, but in get up here, I'll take 2, let's say not dy dx. I'll just take 2 of them. So, no, so one of this determine dy dx if y is equal to negative 2 root x plus x minus 1 over root x. That transform us. Right? So let us get the derivative of dy dx if y were to be another. So we also solve dy dx as said, in our function we must have y as the subject of the formula. So we are deriving a function of y with respect to x. That's all right? Yes. So now another thing, common mistake about formula. Make sure more transfer is part from the question paper to the answer book. Because la kama usubhale ongekho question paper, obviously ongekho question paper awukho memorandum, isn't it? Yes. Yeah. So make sure when you transfer this part of the question paper, usiletha la ubhala khona, usithatha. Alright. So now, if function yes there, kuwapasile wonke lawa rules on 3. No. Right? We've got 2x over the denominator against no x over the right hand side. So now we must change that. This is still y equals to. So this is y equals to negative 2 by x to the power of 1. Why? Because x is the power under the square root. Then plus x minus lona over x to the power of negative 1 over 2. Why? Because this was 1 over square root of x, opening and value, no 1 over 1 over 2. Right? Then must start at the exponent should change in its side. So that's why it's really like that. Alright, so now the function here too is ready for what is 90 right? this is negative 1 over 2. Alright, so now we have dy over dx. Right? Now, so any the derivative. So say I derive the power. When we derive, say using power rule, we'll take the exponent, we times it by the coefficient. Is it clear? Yes. So what is 1 over 2 times negative 2? Right? And then x, okay, it's negative x. Then 1 over 2 minus 1 will be negative 1 over 2. Right? Yes. We take the coefficient, we times it by, we take the exponent, we multiply it by the coefficient. 1 times 1, what is that? Wow. It's 1. Then you subtract 1 from here, so 1 so anything to the power of 0 is 1. So you can got x 1. Wow. Also, here the one there is not 0, right? Yeah. The derivative of s is just 1. Then here, we will say minus 1 over 2 times negative 1. What is that? It's positive 1 over 2. Right? Negative 1 over 2 times negative 1 or positive 1 over 2. X, then negative 1 over 2 minus 1 will be negative 3 over 2. So that's like alright, now this is your derivative. Yes, it's correct, but for the sake of such a one mass, is she here with a positive exponent? So now divide your x with the power. This is divide x. So will be equals to 1 over 2 plus 1 plus 1 over 2x to the power of 3 over 2. And yes, let us take another one. Let's take another one. So E balo labana ziningi ne. Bathi lana find dy dx if unjani if y ilingana bani no x cubed minus 1 whole squared. Right? Total derivative yalaphana with respect to x if y ilingana, right? So the function layer of y here what pass among the roots of 3? No. Why? Because sanani is nama brackets lapana no square. So now let us remove our brackets h. So lapani no y equals to, we square the first term, what do we get? X to the power of 6. Right? We find the product. What is x cubed times negative 1 times negative 2? So that one negative 2x cubed. Right? Because we said low times low. Okay, yes. Then you square the last term, so that one plus 1. Right? The amount square is negative 1 times another negative 1. Negative and negative, obviously, because of the alright. So now we want to get to see now we can derive. So Masters derive will say dy dx is equal to the derivative of this one is over 6. Yes. 6x. Yeah. Very good. So originally one. The second one is the derivative. Yes. The last time was in derivative. 1. 0. Derivative. Again, can show x the derivative of a constant is 0. So this is our derivative. Yes. So these are the notations of dy and dx. Okay, you can copy from the board. You can copy from the board, then circulate the camera. Now, let us look at the last notation here of dx. So firstly, we are given dx of 4 plus root 3x all over x. Right, here is another notation finding what? Can come across something like this. So in this notation, when you're still evaluating our function, masalungisa ifunction so that so pass la roots out reswa so kubeka nayo dx. Mawutsubhala dx. Sometimes ubhala dx lapha phela. Okay. So masalungisa ifunction yethu singaka derive. So kubeka nayo within ama square brackets. Okay. So njengamanje asikwazi ukuderive no x denominator, no x lapha on the radical side. Right? So you must evaluate any function. So this is going to be dx into 4 plus 3 root x. So shinjabala pana square root spell as what? As x squared 1 over 2. All over x. Right?
Yes.
Salande.
Yes.
The next step, we've got 2 terms on the numerator and a single term will be the denominator, right? This is sort of an LCD, right?
Yes.
In a way that each term on the numerator will negate the denominator, right?
Yes.
So we can rewrite this as 4 over x plus 3x to the power of 1 over 2 all over x. Right? Do you agree?
Yes.
Again, the cells will derive a function x by our pass with the rules right? So we'll say dx again. So now as you see, value can just write it as 4x to the power negative 1 or to the power of negative 1 plus 3. Now when we say 1 over 2 minus 1, actually this is the division of what? Of same bases. Right? So we take one base and subtract any among exponents. So what is 1 over 2 minus 1? It is low negative 1 over 2 bese simbuyisela ngaphezulu kanjani? Positive 1 over 2. Do you agree, Salande?
Yes.
Now, the function here to reduce is not derived, right?
Yes.
Master say reduce is not derived, say I'll call the square brackets, no dx, we just write equals. Right?
Yes.
So what is the derivative of the first term? Negative 2. Right?
Yes.
Plus, derivative of the second term? Alright, so now derivative is there, but with the source of incorrect now, but let us leave our answer with a positive exponent. So this is going to be negative 4 all over x squared, right?
Yes.
Plus 3 over 2x to the power of 1 over 2. Yes, alright?
Yes.
I will put me over to right? I will put me over to let us take this one now. Let us take ubani dt 1 over 2 gt squared minus 5 over t plus 3g. Here is our function. dt is equals to 1 over 2 gt squared minus 5 over t plus 3g. Here we are finding the derivative with respect to t, right? Anything besides t is a constant or a coefficient. Is it clear?
Yes.
Alright. So is our function ready to be derived? No, because corner t over p over denominator. Right? So let us first evaluate our function. This is going to be dt into 1 over 2 gt squared minus 5t to the power of minus 1. Saladelan?
Yes.
Plus what? Plus 3g. Now, it's the right function here, so it's not any derivative. So when we find the derivative, let's see how dt in our square bracket, we just write equals. Alright, what is the derivative of the first term? 1. Okay, so 1 over 2 times 2, of which is 1. G now right? Because G is just a constant, or a coefficient. Then, so when you subtract 1 and pass over the body, no 1, right?
Yes.
Alright. Then the second term, this was in derivative with a con.
Plus 5.
T to the power of negative 2, right?
Yes.
Last time this was in derivative with a con, 0. Again, T, right? We're finding the derivative with respect to T. So, T again, we're partial down a constant out 2, right?
Yes.
Now, yes, the correct derivative is plus, let us write it with a positive exponent. So, this is gt plus 5 over et squared. Guess what?
Yes.
So the part is all a matter of any okay, algebraic laws. Yes. Yes. Masses derived. Uchilo. Uchila power in lona a coefficient. La power in bar constant which this is a constant term. Right? Actually I know we coefficient why because we multiply and loyalty. So that's why a constant a coefficient. Law more again o la she's about constant out 2 la. So G la power by constant. Yeah, it's a sense. That's possible. Can you have the last one? Yeah. This is dx into x squared minus 2. So with we're forgetting about you square the first term, you square the last term. You must find the product using length and isn't it? You multiply this term, the layer term, this term, and that term, loan and loan, and we'll apply it together because I think just overcome. Alright, here's our function, and you are required to get any derivative. Alright? If function here too are correct, which is 90, right? Our rules are 2 and you are pass. We've got x will be with denominator, we've got hammer brackets that are unable simplified. Okay? So now let's kind of send it here now. So again we say this is dx equals. So when x squared minus 2 brackets no parallel, right? Now you can add a second bracket. We can write this as x to the power of negative 2 plus 3. Right? Yes. One problem left. Now let us simplify. Right? Yes. This is still dx then square bracket. So when we say this one times that one, so that what is x to the power of 2 times x to the power of negative 2? 1. Very good. Because we take one base, we add the exponents. Our exponents s must add and will sum up to 0. And anything to the power of 0 is 1. Guys, all right? Yes. Then you say x squared times 3. What do you get? 3x squared. What time is this one? Then you say minus 2 times negative times x to the power of minus 2. Minus 2. Right? Yeah. And then we say Negative 2 times 3. Right? From here, you can just sum up in Amala terms. I hope you will go and look at the test for your exam. Low and lower, they are not like terms, right? Our exponents that were our fun. Negative 2, exponent negative 2, and exponent 2, our fun. So this is just dx into 3x squared minus 2x to the power of negative 2 minus 5. Then now the function is just 90, right, isn't it?
Yes.
What is the derivative of here? Yes. Right? Plus 0. That's right. Our answer is positive exponent is 6x plus 4 over x cubed. Nina, send passive. Nina, send passive. If I may ask, examples now are from a document that is composed of so many question papers. Now, can you please do this one? So, determine dy dx if y is equals to 2. Or determine dy dt, sorry, 2t to the power of 5 plus the fourth root of t to the power of 7. This is just 3 marks. Here's our way in Ghana, that's over 3. Then get dy dx if y is equals to if and the last one, this is also 3 marks. Because I mean put dy dx again if how many marks is this one? Then no, goes over 4 marks. Goes over 4 marks. In knowledge, or any from the algebra. And I was about without algebra, I was going to note.
Yes.
So in algebra, they all are and then when we carry on, then says we are going to get our properties, so now now yes, so apply. Okay?
Yes.
But for now, it's only a matter of the algebra. Right?
Yes.
Alright. Can you please do those 3? I think after them,